Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to listen to YouTube for free when iPhone is locked. Okay, so here, since I'm not using an iPhone, I will have a step-by-step tutorial for you to follow to have that kind of feature. Okay, so now the first thing that you'll need to do is to open a web browser and then type out youtube.com. Okay. And then if you want to sign into your account, then you can sign in. Okay. Now, the second thing that you can do is you will find something to listen to. Okay. Search for the music or whatever you want to listen to and tap on the video. Wait for any adverts to finish and the video itself is playing. Okay. Now, you will have to make the video full screen. So you will just have to tap on the full screen icon. It is located at the bottom right of the video arrow. Okay, that's one. To hide the rest of the web page. Now, okay. Use Control Center to continue playback. Okay, so you will have to return to the home screen to switch to another app. Swipe down to access Control Center and press the play button in the music controls to resume playback. Now the music should continue to play. You can either use another app while listening or turn off your iPhone screen and save your battery power. So you can listen to that music or to that video even if you will turn off your iPhone. Now, for the method 2, you can use an app, okay? So as above, if you do sign in, you can play your usual playlist and find music you like. So you just tap on the video, wait until any adverts have finished or skip them and wait until the actual video is playing. Okay. Now, tap the icon arrow to put the video in floating window. So this one, as you can see, and then you can then swipe up to return to the home screen. The video will keep playing and you can drag the video to wherever it's not in the way. So here, so this is a video playing, and then you can even swipe it off the screen so it takes up virtually no space at all. You'll see a small arrow that you can use like a pull tab to bring it back later. And then the sound will keep playing in the background. You can launch any other app you like, but you can also listen with the screen off as well. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can listen to YouTube for free when iPhone is locked. Okay, just follow those steps. Okay, when you're using an iPhone, so you're good to go. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.